Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, May 14th, 2025, we're breaking down GBPUSD, looking at both the latest news and detailed chart analysis. Let's start with some recent headlines. According to FX Street, pound sterling to US dollar has been fluctuating around the 1.3300 support level, showing a tug-of-war between the pound and the greenback. Also, Action Forex indicates pound sterling to US dollar recovered somewhat, but remains below 1.3442, suggesting neutral bias for now. Now, let's jump into the charts and see what they reveal. First, let's look at the daily chart. We can see a recent uptrend followed by some consolidation. Notice how the price action has been relatively choppy over the past few months, with no clear dominant trend. However, there are some key levels to watch. The recent high around 1.3442 mentioned in the news could act as resistance. Conversely, the 1.3300 level might serve as a support. Zooming into the hourly chart, we can see more granular details. The recent price action shows a struggle to break above the 1.3300 level, aligning with the news. We can also identify potential short-term support and resistance levels based on recent swing lows and highs. Now let's move on to the 15-minute chart for an even closer view. We can see even shorter-term fluctuations. If we filter for the most recent price movement, a key observation is the overall direction of the past few days. Given the current data, the next likely scenario is continued sideways movement between 1.32 and 1.34. For a bullish breakout, we need to see a decisive break above 1.3442, reinforced by positive economic news from the UK. Conversely, a bearish breakdown below 1.3300, coupled with strong US economic data, could trigger further downside. Key price levels to watch include the 1.3300 support, the 1.3442 resistance, and potentially intermediate levels between them depending on the timeframe you are trading in. Remember to stay updated with the latest news and economic releases, as these events can significantly impact the GBPUSD.